What is up guys, so we have a massive foldable patent leak coming from LetsGoDigital. So apparently Samsung is working on 3 more foldables, which are Galaxy Z Fold with dual fold, Galaxy Z Fold with trifold, and Galaxy Z Flip with dual fold, and all of them are very exciting. Not to mention I won't be able to afford any of them. Hell, I've been using a broken phone for like months now, but for the sake of knowledge, let's jump in. First up, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold with dual fold. As the name suggests, it has a double folding mechanism with 2 hinges and 3 display parts, with 2 of them being half the size of the middle display, and it folds inwards. Plus, as you would expect, it is much larger than a traditional foldable phone. We also have quad cameras on the back. It doesn't have a notch or hole punch camera. By only bending the right side forward, the quad camera system can be used for taking selfies, but it has one caveat, because in the folded position you have a very narrow screen which only acts as a notification screen. To use the device you will have to unfold it. And if you're enjoying this video, by the way, a subscribe to my channel would be massively appreciated. It takes hell a lot of effort to put these videos together. Just do it! Just do it! With that said, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold with trifold. So it has a triple folding mechanism with 3 hinges and 3 display parts. You can fold and unfold this phone in a Z shape in a zigzag way. This makes this device quite versatile in use, and unlike the original Fold, 2 of its display parts can fold inwards and other one can be folded outwards and can be used as a cover display. It also has quad cameras, and the camera also remains available in the half open position, so you can point the camera forward and use it like that. We also saw a concept phone like this from TCL, which was very large and bulky and very heavy, so let's see if it would be any different. And lastly, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Flip with double fold. So unlike the original Flip, it has 2 hinges. One hinge can fold inwards and the other one can fold both inwards and outwards, making it possible for the main cameras to take selfies. Both of its hinges can keep the screen folded at a certain angle, and it is also equipped with quad cameras like the other models according to the patent description, and it seems to be quite wider than the original Z Flip. For the time being, it still isn't clear that when Samsung will launch its first double hinged mobile phone, or whether these devices will replace the current Z Fold and Z Flip, or will they be additional devices. But we can assume that these smartphones will be a part of the Galaxy Z series. Plus, seeing that current foldables cost between $1,500 to $2,000, these foldables will be even more expensive than the normal foldables. So Samsung will first wait for the moment when the technology becomes cheaper. So rather than putting out a ridiculously expensive device, they will try to market them for the same price as the current foldable. So yeah, these foldables are looking very exciting. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing, and I would catch you guys in the next one.